305. I think I should take this one. This one is good for putting stuff, and they have different colors. So these are the wallets. Guys, I don't have a wallet. Thinking of getting one. Oh, this one. At Miniso at Two Rivers, I'm trying to shop for essentials, like 5 essentials that when you're traveling that you should carry. So I'll be traveling soon, and I can't wait to share with you guys where I'll be traveling to. So I'm here to shop some things that I need. That's why the title 5 essentials, travel essential 5. I don't know what I'm saying. So I'll be traveling out of country, and I'm looking for some things at Miniso, so come along. The bags, I'm looking for a bag that I can put all my things at the same place. There's this pink. Mini bags, mini bags. Wow, this is nice. It's feel edible. It's like you can eat. And they are coming in different colors, different styles. Wow. See, this is a bag, guys. It looks like a banana. When you're traveling, I think you need this, maybe to feel, if you have something you can fill in here. Yeah, so I think I'll pick this. It's going for 309. So we pick which color? This one. Do I need towels? Do I need two towels? These are the beautiful scarves. So I'm here trying to look for it's called what? It's here. This is what I'm looking for. It's expensive. There's one for 1,000. There's one for 12.19. There's for 5.99. This is, I think, the cheapest. I need this one. There's 8.99. Yeah. So let me keep on looking, and I see if I'll find good price. I have this color. I don't know. I take this one. I think this is a bit expensive. So this, let me see which will fit. It has slippers is the most. When you're traveling, you need they're called slippers. They're called sandals. You need sandals. You don't carry dirty sandals. So I don't know what sandals are. This looks nice, but what about this? I want something bright or gray. Something bright or gray. So guys, also you need a mask. And you know, when you're traveling, you need your face to be fresh. So I don't know which mask I'll take. There are so many different types of masks. facial mask. So this is for smoothing. This is for acne. I don't need for acne. So I will pass that. Balancing mask. Intensive revitalizing mask. No, I don't want that. So there's something else that you need when you're traveling is a power bank. Remember, you're going to another country and you don't know when you will get to charge your phone, so you need a power bank. So at Miniso they have very variety of choice to choose from, and yeah, it all depends with what you want. Yeah, and I think the first thing that struck my eyes is this one. You see, even the brand Miniso, and even I love the color. You also need shades when you're traveling, because you don't know in that place you're going the weather is harsh, so we are protecting our head. So let me try this. So guys, this is the Miniso store. I am done. So remember to comment, like, share this video. I'm ready to give you good content, informational content. So kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed. So share this video. What else? Yeah, share it with your friends. So until next time, bye bye.